Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 20th, 2022. We're going to talk about NEO today. We're going to talk about whether or not this particular stock is going to break this downtrend. You guys can see it right here that this market in NEO has been trending down ever since June of 2021. Price has been coming down. And now you guys can see that the market currently is trying to crack its head outside of this line. And I wanted to talk about it because if we're going to see the market break out of NEO outside of this downtrend, then that means that we may be transitioning over to the market trading range bound to eventually it going up in price. So welcome everyone to the channel. Hit that like button. Share the video and also subscribe here if you guys want to get more of this predictive content before anyone else. All right, so real quick, I did a video in NEO right here on September the 8th, 2022, and I was looking for the price to continue to go down, and I've been noticing right after I concluded the video that market has been trending and been showing a whole lot of emphasis of moving higher. Hey, I get it, and I'm still looking at the price in NEO, and the market currently is looking like it doesn't want to go down in price. I'm here to tell you all, you need to pay attention to the things that the chart is reflecting. And let's not be oblivious and act like we don't see what's going on. If the market is going against you, it's going against you for a reason. So yeah, this prediction that I created in NEO did not happen right. It did not go the way I expected it to go. And it's going to happen. You're not going to win every battle. But the name of the game is to win a war. So let's get rid of this. Okay. So if we were to get on the last trade of yesterday, that's around 19% movement to the downside. Okay. Now the attention switches over to what is the chances of us seeing NEO break this downtrend line. All right. What's the chances? Is it 75%? Is it 45%? Is it 25%? What is the percentage chance of us looking for NEO to break this downtrend line? Because we're there now. We're at the cusp of seeing NEO break this downtrend line, which is in front of us. Let's look at the market real quick on the 3-day chart. Okay. So you guys can see that overall, it's not a lot really going on, because if the market in NEO truly was bearish, this market just holding this area, this range would not occur. The market moves faster to the downside than it does going up. And basically what I'm trying to tell you all is that buyers are here in the market in NEO here, and they're also coming in around like $16 to $17. They're right there. Okay, so let's straighten this up. You guys can see how the market in NEO has held support. We're bouncing off of support areas. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see this here. The market in NEO was in a downtrend in the beginning of the year. We bounced off of $12.25. Market ran up to 24, came back down and held $12 again. We broke out. We came down and held $16. Market came down and held 16 again. So the market is elevating its support area. That's a clue that buyers are not willing to let the price fall at first, beginning of the year, below $12.25. Now we're seeing $16. Buyers are not letting NEO price fall below that level. So we can utilize this now. Okay. This is the closest area of support in the market in NEO, 1650. Now, it doesn't mean that we're out the woods yet, okay? Because we can see how long price in NEO has been rejected around this level, $22. Look, let's just talk about this. The market in NEO on all of these 3-day price bars could not break outside of 22. Even on this last completed one, it cracked its head above $22, but it fell back down. So yeah, they got a lot of work ahead of them. And work, I'm talking about the buyers do. The buyers have a big job ahead of them. If they cannot move price above $22, then I'm here to tell you, we're going to go back down. Yes, we are. Now, outside of 22, the next restriction area is going to be up here, around 24. Okay. So looking at the market in NEO, currently, I don't think that we are on a massive bullish trend. Like the market's going to go up quickly. The market's currently trying to digest the selling around $22. That is what it's trying to do. And if they are successful at it, then I'm going to look for the market to run up to 24, which would take us outside of this downtrend line, which means that I need to get rid of it. Okay. So the idea, I think you guys can see what I'm expecting. I'm looking for the market in NEO to consolidate. Okay. So I'm looking at. So this is NEO right here on the weekly chart. Last week, it wasn't positively good. We got high volume and the market closed off of the highs severely. So like I told you earlier, I'm not seeing a massive movement or bullish breakout occurring in the market in NEO. Not at all. There's still some doubt here into the market. How the market currently is trading in NEO lets me know that everyone is not on board with looking for price to break out, to go severely higher. 2 weeks, you guys can see the same thing. Okay, so considering everything that I've said, considering everything that I've shown you, how would you view price? Where do you think it's going to go? Do you think the market is leaning more towards price going up, or do you think it's leaning more towards price going down? That's the question that needs to be answered. For me, I think the buyers have a little bit more edge than the sellers. Just by a little bit though. I'm not saying that the price in NEO is going to break out to $60, nothing like that. I do think that they are willing to, at least right now, buy this stock up. Now, if I don't see the market in NEO continue to give me that people are buying, and that price is going to break out of $22 and hit 24, I'm not going to be bullish for too long, because the market is acting that way. How people feel is being dictated and shown in front of us right now. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. I am going to look for the price in NEO to trend higher. Okay. Now, I've already told you this, so let's not be surprised. Let's not get caught off guard and say, well, you said that NEO was going to go up. Yes, but I also am telling you that $22 is an area of resistance. The buyers may not be able to take price outside of there and break out to 24. So that is going to be the first price target for us to focus in on. It's only 5.6% too. It's not a lot. I know it, but I want to show you all that we can get snagged up right there around 22. And then my second price target is going to be up there around 24. Okay. Now, as long as the market in NEO holds $17, definitely no lower than 16, we're going to look for the market to do just that. Okay, we're going to look for the market to do just that. So let me bring it down just a little bit, and that is it. You guys can see earnings is coming up in November, so I would suspect that that's going to have some impact on price. Now, if we see price from now till earnings trend higher, then probably you won't expect the price to go down, either after earnings or leading up to it, like the 2 to 3 days before earnings release. Just be prepared for that. All right, so that is it. Give me your thoughts. Give me your process as to where you think NEO is going to go. Like I said, it looked like the buyers are really trying to move this market up in NEO, but they got a big job ahead of them. And the first one is breaking price above $22. So I'm not going to be massively disappointed if the price in NEO does not move above 22. Like, I'm already prepared for that. If it happens, you should be too. Now let me know your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.